Aloha and welcome to the video. As you can see, I am no longer in Germany. I am right now in Hawaii and the sun's going down, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing here. I got the fastest car in the world, and you're probably thinking, a Lamborghini, a Ferrari? No, it's a rental car. Of course you can drive a rental car as fast as you want. So I'm going to pan the camera around and I'll show you what I got. It's nothing that fancy, it's just a Toyota Camry, but it's not a bad car. I like driving it. It's good on gas, and it's definitely good transportation, but it's not a great car that I would probably buy. Maybe a better version, but I'll tell you guys about it more so. It's a LE, which is not the best edition, and you know, it's not a bad ride. But let me take you inside. Of course it's locked. Alright, this is the inside. It's not a bad car. It's got a lot of beach sand in it right now. But as you can see, it's not a bad ride. It's nothing special. Alright, so this is the inside of this car. It's got a couple features that I do like. It's got the, well, not the lane departure, because I could care less about that. But it's got the radar for when you have your cruise control on. It'll slow you down if the car in front of you slows down. That's one of the features I do like. And over here is the infotainment center. And I'll tell you, I don't like how they put the fan right here. This is stupid. This is the knob I want to go to adjust the radio and turn it down. They put the radio way up here, so you have to reach high to adjust your volume. If they put the volume here and change the controls for the heater to like here and here, that would be a much better thing. And this infotainment center, I'm not really a good fan of. It's got the hard buttons to adjust the stuff. You can go to menu, and then you can hit the touch screen and go to audio, or go to your apps if you have any. And you know, it's okay, I guess, for a quick thing if you want to adjust things, but I wish it was a bigger screen with more touchability like my Jeep. I think my Jeep has a better system with the Uconnect, but what can you do, you know? This is a rental car, and I just figured I'd show you guys real quick this thing. I've been getting pretty good gas mileage. Let's see if I can find that information. Yep, this is my miles per gallon screen. My range is 136, and I don't see the overall average. Okay, here's the screen with the best average miles per gallon. It's 28.6, and I've been averaging 26.3, so it's not too bad on gas. It's decent. But this has got the 4-cylinder engine. It's got no power. It's not thrilling to drive at all. But I just figured I'd show you guys real quick and, you know, tell you I got a Camry. I don't know if it's a 17 or an 18, but it's not a bad car. I wouldn't mind it as like a extra car to, you know, go back and forth to work. But it's not a car that I'd like to buy. Of course, it's got cloth interior, and maybe a loaded one is nicer. But the doors sound a little tinny. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, these doors are very tinny, and let me show you what I mean. When you have the window open and you shut the door, there's a sound that makes it sound like a cheap car. So you hear that? I mean, that's horrible. It sounds like it's bending as you shut it. Let me do it again for you. This door, when you shut the door, that sound is horrendous. It's just a thin, cheaply made door, and you can tell that it's not a very good quality. Alright, so that's all I got for you right now. I'll show you more clips from Hawaii and of this car and what I'm doing, so here they are now. Alright, I'm here at the port, and I'm gonna go take this boat out to the submarine. So come on board and we'll go see the sharks and the shipwrecks and whatever else is down there. Come with me, let's go. that, we're done our submarine tour. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.